Music is a part of every known society, past and present, and is common to all human cultures across the globe. Words make you think, music makes you feel, a song makes you feel a thought. Music isn't just a pleasure, a transient satisfaction. It's a need, a deep hunger, and when the music is right, it's joy, love, a foretaste of heaven. To celebrate the magical feelings that music can evoke in our lives, Sophia High School successfully conducted the inter-school music competition, Asteria. I would like to convey our sincere appreciation to the principals of various prestigious institutions for encouraging their students to participate in Asteria. This inter-school competition was a vision of our music department and the student council under the able guidance of Mr. Abhishek Jnanaraj. Congratulations to the musicians of Sophia for successfully executing this fest. I appreciate the generosity of our sponsors who made this dream come true. A big congratulations to the winners of Asteria. Many schools have bagged prizes in this competition. Well done. Remember, the more you love music, the more music you love. Thank you.
Hi, hello, namaskar. I'm Nanit Xavier from Sacred Girls High School. How do I look? Huh? I can't hear you. Oh, you said I look pretty. Thank you. But you see, earlier today I asked my sis the same question and she said, Nanit, my eyes aren't sufficient to look at you. And I was so happy by the comment that I ran to the mirror just to realize what she actually meant. When I looked at myself in the mirror, my entire body was not seen in the mirror. Ugh. It is all because of this lockdown, yeah, sitting in the house doing nothing. But earlier and all, no, I was nice, slim and trim, you know. But anyhow, during the same lockdown period, haven't we all opened a box of ice cream just to find out that it's only garki masala in it? Disappointing, right? I know. You would have figured it out by now. That's right. I'm talking about typical Indian moms. So the other day, my mom and I went shopping. We went to a mall and I spotted these lovely scented candles and I asked my mom to buy me one. My mom, being a typical Indian mom, first checks the price and goes, "Hey, yaar, 275 rupees for one candle? With the same amount of money, you can buy 3 agarbatti packets, which comes for 5 months with a much better scent. Rather, you want to buy one candle which comes for 1 month?" But you see, it was quite embarrassing. Yeah. The whole store was staring at us. But after yelling so much, my mother got it for me. But thanks, ma.
नजर जो तेरी लागी मैं दीवानी हो गई दीवानी हाँ दीवानी दीवानी हो गई बोले चूड़िया बोले कंगना हाय मैं हो गई तेरी साजना तेरे बिन जियो नहीं लगदा मैं ते मर गईया
बोले चूड़िया बोले कंगना हाय मैं हो गया तेरा साजना तेरे बिन जियो नहीं लगदा मैं ते मर जावा
उफ मेरे दिल में थोड़ी खाली सी जगह थी, उफ तूने आके बिन किराए ये जगह ली, कुछ कह भी न सकी ये कैसी बेबसी, यूं चुपके आया बिन बुलाया मेहमान, उफ मेरे दिल में थोड़ी खाली सी जगह थी। हमको ना खबर कब कैसे आया वो, दिल से खुस फुस क्या फरमाया वो, हमको ना खबर कब कैसे आया वो, दिल से खुस फुस क्या फरमाया वो, हो उफ मेरे दिल में थोड़ी खाली सी जगह थी।
पटियाला बैग लगा के नाचूंगा नाचूंगा, पटियाला ढोल बजा के कह दूंगा, हीरे मेरी जुल्फे तेरी, मेरे हाथों की ये लकीरें बुनती हैं, ढोंग दलिशकारा ओ बेबी तेरा जान से प्यारा, ओ बेबी एवें चमका दिल साडा कि दिख गया प्यार ये पटियालवी।
झूमरे झूमो झूमरो बुमरो 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 शाम रंग बुमरो 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 शाम रंग बुमरो केसी चक्सो होता लारो हो ओ
वो तो मैटी नहीं दिखा करके चुम्मा ले गया झल्ला मेरा आशिक झल्ला बल्ला, मेरा बलमा झल्ला बल्ला, मेरा झल्ला बल्ला बल्ला।
evening to everyone. It has truly been 3 weeks of exciting, interesting, and fruitful performances. We would like to begin by thanking our dear principal, Sister Alpana, for allowing us to put this event together despite the trying times that we are facing right now. I would be failing in my duty if I did not thank Mr. Abhishek for overseeing the smooth functioning of this event, because without his constant support and guidance, we would not have been able to carry out this fest. Thank you for always listening to us and allowing us to express ourselves freely through this event. My heartfelt appreciation goes out to the many individuals who have tirelessly worked behind the scenes to make this event a success. The organizing committee, the engines behind this operation, who ensured that every participant could participate to the best of their ability. I thank you for your dedication, encouragement, and hard work. We would like to thank the sponsors of this event for their support and contributions. Thank you, judges, for your time. It was with your dedication that we were able to reward our participants for their creative efforts. I take this opportunity to congratulate every one of you for doing your best. We hope that Asteria was a truly wonderful experience for everyone involved. Thank you very much. We hope you have a very nice day.